I wanna go faster, can't slow me down. I wanna go faster, till I'm flying now. I wanna go faster, can't slow me down. I wanna go faster. And my mama always said I couldn't concentrate. Yeah, she was always chasing me. You can blame it on the sugar cereal, you can blame it on the ADD. When it's hard to make a moment last, I start running right down my skin. I think that I can never go too fast. So many places I ain't never been. I wanna go faster, can't slow me down. I wanna go faster until I'm flying now. I wanna go faster, I'm never done. I'm counting down, 3, 2, 1. Better get ready to run. My girl, she's always saying I should take my time, that maybe I could slow it down. But I can feel the rhythm in her bones until we're floating off the ground. They say that if you don't slow down, son, you are gonna die too young.